The Southwest Star Ranch is an impressive, high-fenced, turnkey South Texas hunting and cattle ranch principally recognized for producing outstanding quality trophy whitetail bucks, located in the famed Golden Triangle. Large ranches such as this 5,634-acre ranch are becoming scarcer to find in South Texas, especially close to San Antonio. This ranch was designed to offer the very best when it comes to hunting, recreation, and livestock production. The property has been remarkably well managed, having added countless improvements throughout the years to enhance the habitat, thus enriching the quantity and quality of the wildlife. This exceptional turnkey operation includes 19 deer blinds, 15 4x6 and 4 4x5, 27 protein feeders, 19 corn feeders, and a 12-ton overhead feed bin. Southwest Star is well watered with 2 irrigation wells, 750 gallons per minute, 1 domestic well, 6 to 7 stock tanks, and 17 water troughs evenly distributed throughout the ranch, with an additional 8 troughs not currently operational. Nicely outfitted with a large full-length front porch, fenced yard, and shaded mesquite trees. Adjacent to the main house are 2 manufactured mobile homes recently converted into guests or hunters' quarters, with covered common area between. With its impressive history, comfortable lodging, high-quality wildlife, livestock potential, and well-designed habitat improvements, this large South Texas property is an opportunity to own a unique ranch of exceptional quality.